In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Passwords and Security. Then tap on Password here and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then wait 5 seconds and choose Got it. Enter your login method and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Confirm. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!